Hey y'all, I'm in the kitchen of course and working on Thanksgiving dinner, my portion. My mom and sister-in-laws are making their portions, and I'm going to be making what we call 5-cup salad. It's more of a dessert than it is a salad, but that's what it's called. It's called 5-cup salad. It has coconut, sour cream, marshmallows, mandarin oranges, and pineapple chunks. I know that the sour cream's a little off-putting for some people, but this is a really good recipe. It's just not Thanksgiving at our house without it. So let me show you how to make it. Alright, so I'm using pineapple chunks and pineapple juice, and I'm just going to drain the juice off of this as well as the juice off of the mandarin oranges. Now it's called 5-cup salad because obviously there's a cup of each ingredient, but I'm doubling the recipe. So here's a cup of pineapple. Oops, and that would have been my 2nd cup of pineapple. So you see I'm doubling the recipe, and I guess I'm making a 10-cup salad. So now we're going to do the mandarin oranges. Again, that should be about 2 cups. We don't really measure, we just open the can. This mandarin oranges was 15 ounces, and the pineapples are 20 ounces. So anyway, that's enough. So you can get that in there. Then we're going to do 2 cups of marshmallows, using the miniature marshmallows. 1, I spilled some on the counter. 2, go ahead and put those in here to make 2 cups of marshmallows. Get our coconut opened and do 2 cups of shredded coconut. 1, 2, and last but not least is the sour cream. Like I said, I've never really measured this, but I'm going to try and do it for y'all. That would be all. So the whole container, which is a 16-ounce container, would be your 2 cups supposedly. But let's stir this up and make sure I'm not putting too much, because so many things you just don't go by a hard recipe. So start mixing it up. It's best to make this the day before so it can sit and chill and all those flavors mix together. Yeah, so it is the whole container. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest out, and I'm keeping my container so that I can take leftovers home when we leave the farm. There's no seasonings, no sugar, added sugar, or anything like that. That's all you do. And then I'm going to put this into a pan that can travel with us in the truck, because we have a 2-hour drive to get to my parents' farm. I'm taking some to my daughter, who's due to have a baby any day now. I'm just going to go ahead and put this in this travel pan. If you have a pretty dish to put it in, that would be great. There we go. 5-cup salad. You have to trust me on this that it is really good. And that's all there is to making a 5-cup salad. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a very nice Thanksgiving.